What's up guys, Bailey here. First Yu-Gi-Oh pack opening video. Picked up just 5 blisters at my local Target. Got 3 Battles of Legend Armageddon. Hoping to pull Utopia or 10K Dragon. See if we can get lucky. Got a first edition Toon Chaos, want to pull a collector's rare obviously, and just picked up 1 Eternity Code, hoping for maybe a Starlight, so let's get into it. Eternity Code, first edition, let's see. Goki, the Power Lord Ogre, Megalith Uniform, Unchained Twins, Sarama, Trias, Hierarchia, and Witchcrafter Patronus Super Rare. So nothing in that pack, but I wasn't expecting much. Alright, let's get into a Battles of Legend Armageddon. Really hoping for a 10K Dragon. Seen a couple of people pulling them on YouTube, but I haven't got lucky. Got 1 booster box of this before and got absolutely nothing, but here we go. Nothing. Alright. Let's get another one. Save the Toon Chaos for last, because that is my favorite set that has been recently released. Alright, here we go. 10K Dragon, come on. We'll put this first one in the back just in case. And let's see. Appliancer Reuse. I'm not even going to try to pronounce that. Appliancer Vacuolifant. And, nothing. Alright. Get my cards in order. Alright, 1 more Battles of Legend, and then we'll move on to Toon Chaos. I always have trouble opening these. Alright, come on. Here we go. Black Whirlwind, Appliancer Reuse, Flower Cardian Cherry Blossom, Elemental Hero Shining Flare Wing. This is a cool card. And Dark Spell Regeneration, nothing. Alright. See if we can get lucky with this first edition Toon Chaos. I was surprised my Target had these. I haven't seen a lot of first edition Toon Chaos in a while, so here we go. Really hoping for either a BLS or a Chaos Emperor Dragon Collector's Rare. So we got Light Pulsar Dragon, Curse of Dragonfire, Gear Breed, Chaos Space, it's a good card, and nothing. Oh well. So nothing today, just Chaos Space is probably the best card I got, but it's alright. We'll get them next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.